Medyo malabo yung ating bugtong cryptic for today, August 22. So our bugtong cryptic is PNATNY, an, big, and then NYNA. So medyo malabo talaga. Pero kapag inintindi natin, maybe we can get like pantay na bigayan. So yung exclamation mark dito, it give us indicator na it can be an endlet clue or a rebus clue. So yung rebus clue is a visual pawn. So what you see here is the clue or what's giving us the hint of what is the answer. So kapag pinalit natin yung N and A, we will get pantay na bigayan. Kaso nagkapalit sila or magka-exchange sila, N and A. So paano natin ito ma-solve? So kapag pinalit natin yung N and A or yung A and A, kapag pinalit natin, palit natin yung A and A, we'll get the word palitan or pantay na bigayan. Palitan or pantay na bigayan. Let's check this one. See you tomorrow.